The intersection of AI and crypto in recent months. AI has been working its way into the world of cryptocurrency. AI tokens are cryptocurrencies that are directly related to an AI venture. Just to name a few examples, AI tokens could be involved in blockchain protocols, decentralized web platforms, and decentralized machine learning platforms. And the AI tokens can serve a variety of functions. Users can use the tokens to pay for services or access data on the platform. And the platform can use the tokens as rewards to pay users. These tokens can also be used to provide the holders with some level of governance rights. There are nearly 90 AI tokens in the crypto space right now. In April 2023, the combined market value of AI tokens was just $2.7 billion. Now it's surpassed $39 billion. Fetch.ai is one of the most well-known AI tokens. Between mid-February and mid-March 2024, the value of its token FET increased 329%. The platform made headlines in late March when it merged its AI token with tokens from Singularity, Net and Ocean Protocol. The alliance between these three companies is aimed at developing a decentralized approach to AI as opposed to AI protocols and platforms that are dominated by large tech companies.